Build OS Android v8.0 Oreo. Dimensions NA. Weight NA. SIM dual SIM, dual standby, nano SIM. Colors various. Frequency 2G band SIM 1, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. SIM 2, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. 3G band SPA 850, 900, 1900, 2100. 4G band LTE. Processor CPU 1.2 GHz quad-core. Display technology IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors, multi-touch. Size 5.3 inches. Resolution 1080 by 1920 pixels, ~416 ppi. Memory built-in 32 GB built-in, 3 GB RAM. Card microSD card, supports up to 256 GB. Camera main 13MP, autofocus, LED flash. Features geotagging, panorama, HDR, phase detection, video. Front 5MP. Connectivity LAN Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/NAC, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot. Bluetooth v4.2 with A2DP, LA. GPS Yes plus a GPS support, and GLONASS. Radio FM radio. USB microSD. NFC No. Data GPRS, Edge, 3G HSPA, 4G LTE. Features sensors accelerometer, compass, fingerprint, gyro, proximity. Audio 3.5mm audio jack, MP3/WAV/FLAC/EAC+/W.M.A. Player, MP4/VIX/H.264/WMV player, speakerphone. Browser HTML5. Messaging SMS threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, Games built-in plus downloadable. Torch Yes. Extra document viewer, editor, organizer, voice memo/dial/commands. Battery capacity 3000 mAh.